So since my first video is up to almost 2 million views about loud hubs, now I'm going to teach you how to make your hub just a little louder, or a lot louder. So what I have is a Hope Pro 4 hub, and I have a packet of 4 additional springs for Hope Pro 4. So first you got to pull this off. One of the pawls fell out. So this is where they fit in. You can see the one spring there, and that's the pawl fell off right there. Okay, so we have partially falling apart here hub and a new set of springs. So probably easiest to take all the pawls out. Sometimes a little pair of pliers works easier. And grab the little spring, pull it out. Now, obviously, you could just use some of the ones also in the hub, but you need extras. 4 new ones. So, the way this works is, you take, I'm going to try and show this as best I can. You take 2 of these springs and hook them together like that. Rotate that into itself. Now it just looks like one thick spring. Barely even tell there's 2. That fits in there just the same. The pawl fits over it just the same. These can be kind of tricky to get in, but once they're in, you'll know it. Now that one is double spring. Do that to all 4 to make your hub louder. Do a comparison between factory Hope Pro 4 and a double spring Hope Pro 4. And I took the caliper out of the way because everybody whined on the last video that the caliper dragged. The double spring, again with the caliper removed.